What's your good name?
My name is Kshama Dharwadkar
From?
from Goa University.
Okay. What are you expecting for this year's IFFI?
First of all, I felt the organization was much better compared to last year because it was so much easier getting the kit. But let's hope they have a better selection of movies.
Hi, I'm Himanshu Jindal. I'm from Delhi and I'm a student over here, and I've just come here in IFFI to learn something.
What do you expect for this year's
Portuguese
IFFI?
cinema is one of my subject, and it can help me in learning something about international cinema.
So what do you expect this year's IFFI? What things you would like to see?
I don't know exactly because this is first time here, and I'm not expecting in particular something. Just for the entertainment, I'm announced.
I love the festival. I've been attending it for 10-11 years. I hope it's a great festival.
Your good name?
Hi, I'm Raksha Jain.
Okay. What are you expecting for this year's IFFI?
So we have travelled all the way from Chennai till Goa to visit this International Film Festival for the first night. We're expecting to see actually good films and good directors so that we can learn. We are media students, basically to learn how cinematography and film works. Develop for that.
Ankita, what are you expecting for this year's IFFI?
This is my first time here, so I have a lot of high expectations, but I'm hoping to see some good movies and get good feedback from the industry experts.
What do you like to see? What type of movies? And
I like to see some documentary movies and just get some good advice from the industry experts.
What's your name?
Yes, A.K. Chandrajit. A.K. Chandrajit.
From?
From Nepal.
What do you expect in this year's IFFI?
Yes. I'm just coming from Northeast India. Far corner of North India, from Nepal. Just to get enjoying this auspicious festival, International Film Festival. That is why I'm coming here very eagerly and eagerness. Yes, it will be very fine for me. It is my dream to participate in such an auspicious film festival in India. Yes, it is my chance to get in Goa. Yes, absolutely.
Hi, my name is Chandramani Kumar, and I am studying in Goa University, and I have taken subjects Portuguese cinema. So I would like to watch related to Portuguese, like Brazilian movie and Portuguese movie. So how they represent the Brazilian society. So I want to see this through the movie.
What do you expect more things in this year's film festival?
Actually, I came here to learn something new through the movie, which will help me.